Which of the following is not a prime number? A43, B47, C53, D57. Ang prime numbers, ito yung numbers na may dalawang factor lang. Yung number ay yung number itself at ang 1, no? 1 at ang. Meron tayong example dito, 3. Ano bang factors ng 3? 1 at saka 3, no? Wala nang ibang numbers na pwede makapag-divide sa 3 kundi 1 and 3 lang. Kaya prime siya kasi dalawa lang ang kanyang factors. Another example is number 5. Ang factors ng number 5 is only 5 and 1. Ang factors yung i-multiply mo will result to 5. Or if you divide it by the factor, the answer is only 5 and 1. And only number itself and 1. And also number 11. Yan, 11 and 1 lang. Also 7. 1 and 7 lang. Ngayon, ang mga numbers na may other factors aside from 1 and itself, ang tawag doon ay composite number. Composite numbers. Composite numbers. Bakit siya composite? Kasi meron siyang other factors aside from 1 and itself, no? Madaling malaman. Ito po ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ayan. Kapag na-divide siya ng ibang numbers aside from 1 and itself, composite yon. Hindi siya prime number. Kunyari, sige, huwag mo tayo sa 6. 4, no? Oo, ang 4 ay madidivide ng 1 at saka 4. Pero, pwede rin naman madivide ang 4 ng 2, di ba? Kasi 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, aside from 1 at 4, merong 2. Kaya ang 4 is a composite number. Ano? 6, no? 6. Yes, 6 can be divided by 1 and 6. Pero pwede siyang i-divide sa 2. Pwede rin siyang i-divide sa 3. Kaya this number is 6 is a composite number. Diba? Ang 57 is divisible by 3. Kasi dagdagan mo lang yung isa. Yan, na 3 yan. Magiging 60. So, magiging 60. 60 is divisible by 3. So, ang 57 is also divisible by 3. O, subukan nga natin. 57 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 2. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Ayan. So, 57 is not only divisible by 1 and 57, it is also divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 27. And there are also other numbers that might divide 57. No? Kaya, sa tingin pa lang, alam mo na kaagad, ang sagot dito ay 57.